You got a minute? Follow me.
My job today is to check and repair 737 next-gen brakes. Me and my team make sure that every single brake system is delivered to the customer in the required airworthiness condition. Follow me. Every part has its own unique specifics, from traditional brakes to the next-gen type, like the Boeing 787 system, which is all electric. The job involves a range of processes to ensure constant quality and optimize TATs. Brake units are components that contribute to flight safety. I'm focused on this role and personally take care of this important part of the aircraft.
My job means I have the superpower to stop an aircraft. I love that idea.